Hello guys, we had a new sample that just came from the mail yesterday. This is for the dogs. This includes this one. Hair clipper, this one. And then it has scissors. And then one comb, and then this is the pit trimmer for the hair too, like on the feet. And this one ito yung accessories na ito yung nail trimmer. Ito. Bago mo gamitin, i-charge mo na. Ito, fully charge na to eh. Tapos itong gunting, katapos ko lang gamitin kay pork chop. Chop! Ano ba here? Tingnan mo. Hindi pa talaga tapos na tapos kasi nakipag-away siya sa akin. Ayan. Pangalawa ko ng ano yan, ayan. Tingnan mo. Ayan guys. Yan ang Fits free sample. Thank you.